Challenges of rocket launch in Algeria. Algeria, with its vast desert landscapes and established space ambitions, is well positioned to become a leader in African space exploration. However, the dream of launching rockets from Algerian soil faces a number of technical, logistical, and policy-related challenges. To start, Algeria lacks a dedicated rocket launch site. While the country has made commendable progress through the Algerian Space Agency in satellite development and remote sensing, it does not yet possess the infrastructure required for orbital or suborbital rocket launches. Building such facilities from scratch would require significant investment in launch pad, telemetry stations, safety zones, and logistical support systems. Secondly, regulatory and legal frameworks remain underdeveloped. Algeria's space policy is still evolving, and the absence of clear legislation on launch operations, liability, and commercial partnerships makes it difficult to attract private investors or international collaborators. Economic constraints also present a barrier. Despite its rich natural resources, Algeria's economy has been heavily reliant on oil and gas. Fluctuations in global energy prices and domestic economic pressures often limit consistent funding for long-term space initiatives. Another challenge is a limited presence of a skilled launch workforce. Although Algeria has invested in education and technical training, there is a shortage of engineers and technicians with direct experience in rocket propulsion, launch integration, and mission control. Furthermore, environmental and geographical factors must be considered. While Algeria's vast desert regions offer wide open spaces ideal for launches, they are often remote, difficult to access, and require careful environmental planning. Additionally, regional security concerns may complicate the development and operation of sensitive aerospace infrastructure. As Algeria continues to build its technical capacity, strengthen international cooperation, and invest in homegrown innovation, the foundation for future launch capability is slowly being laid. With vision, planning, and persistence, Algeria could one day emerge as a North African gateway to space. Thanks for watching.